it's Emily and welcome to my car. So obviously I'm not driving, my husband Evan is driving. But if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and welcome. We are driving down the road and we're on our way to a church service and we're about an hour and a half away. I am going to be fixing my hair in the car and I haven't done anything to it at all today. So last time I fixed my hair in the car, I posted on Instagram and I had a bunch of people saying they wished I had done a hair tutorial. So I thought it would be cool if I did a hair tutorial because I was sitting here driving down the road and I had this idea come into my head on like how I could do like curls in the car with no curling iron. So I'm gonna try this. I don't even know if it's gonna turn out, but if the curls don't turn out, at least you'll see how I fix my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I was thinking. So I love this hairspray and I use this in all my videos. It's Aussie Instant Freeze. And I love this stuff because you can like basically like freeze your hair into place. So I was thinking if I did pin curls like this, okay, I'm gonna start at the bottom and I'm gonna roll them kind of small. I was thinking, I wonder if I did my hair in pin curls like this, and then if I sprayed it with hairspray, if it would kind of like freeze the curl into place. I don't know, so I'm gonna try it. I'm just gonna like take a little sections of my hair, spray the bottoms because it kind of gets tucked in there, and before the hairspray dries, I'm gonna roll it really fast. Okay. So I'm just gonna roll it up like this, and then I'm gonna put it, I've got my little clips, and I'm just gonna take a clip and to hold it in place like that. So we're an hour and a half away. I thought if I could go ahead and do this now. These are the clips I use, Goodies, and I just found these at a discount store for $2, but when you get them at Walmart, they're like $3 maybe. So I'm gonna try this and see if this works. I hope you guys know how to do pin curls because it's kind of hard to show you from this angle. Okay, I'm back. So it was about 45 minutes that I kept these in, and I'm going to go ahead and take these out. I recorded this without the sound because my husband was on the phone. So this first pin curl did not turn out like I was hoping it would be, but I think the other ones turned out okay. first thing I'm going to do is put my hair into a ponytail, and on the last time through I am going to do a loop and not pull it all the way through. Since I'm in the car, I'm just going to randomly pin this bun with bobby pins. From here, I am going to make another loop out of the rest of my hair, and I am going to clip it with one clip on either side. If you have shorter hair, just do one loop, but my hair is so long that I have to do the 2 loops. And then I will just pin this bun like I did the other bun. Now I am just going to do my best to pin the curls over top the best that I can in the car. I mean, it's not going to be perfect because I couldn't hardly see what I was doing, but I just give it my best attempt at it. And yes, I did notice the big clip showing after I finished recording this, and I fixed it, so don't worry, I didn't go out looking like that. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this, and leave me a comment down below. Bye, ladies!